We're building a house. We started with just the concrete blocks around the house and we built it up from there. Everything you've seen, we've done so far.
It looks really good. I'm happy with the way that it's coming along so far.
I like it a whole lot better out here because this is all hands-on, and out here you're not as jam-packed and everyone's together. Out here you're all spread out doing different things. It's a lot easier for me to comprehend for me because if I see it and do it, it's a lot easier for me to remember how to do it again.
There's certain skill sets that you're only going to be able to pick up by doing it. At some point, they need to have the tools in their hands, they need to have the materials in their hands, and they need to be able to put those materials together. And I can show them slideshows and I can show them presentations in the classroom, but out here they actually get to be a part of it, they get to see it. These kids have gotten to assemble the entire floor system. They have learned to frame all the walls the students put up. We've had a crane out here, they've set trusses. They should get to be a part of every aspect of the construction process.
This class, it has some hard parts, but it's pretty easy in the long run. It's just one step of the way, and it is a whole lot of fun to be able to say that you come along and say, I built that by hand.
I was like, I might as well do this, all my friends are doing it, and then I was just like, hey, this is really nice. It makes me want to do construction. I think I want to do this like full time.
There's a wide variety of skill range from people that don't know what they're doing to people that have been doing this their whole life. So there's a wide variety and they can help you with anything.
You're not required to know anything to join this program. The idea is that you'll learn everything you need to learn here. So if you're a prospective student, you don't have to have any background experience. You don't have to have had a summer job doing this. You can show up having never touched a hammer, and that's perfectly okay.
Definitely join it if this is something that interests you. It is a lot of fun to do.